Hi, I'm Christiana. Here we are at Camden Yards before the beginning of the Orioles versus Athletics team. Take a look at the field.
Beautiful! How lovely. Let's see if we can zoom in here. Camden Yards, indeed. See, we do come out of our houses every once in a while. Hello there. Hello. This is my lovely boyfriend. You probably will never meet him.
Why would you do that?
It's really gross.
What thing?
I'm gonna film it. Do it.
Ring, 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 ring.
Do your little.
I can't. I don't.
Go
dance.
run and do your jump.
I can't dance. Oh,
do
this
it.
thing where you click your feet? I can only do that with people walk by.
Kevin did?
Alright, wait for this guy to walk by and do it, okay? Yeah, here, run up ahead of me.
Thing that I do.
You should just do this.
No, I do like this.
You gotta do it around people. It's funny.
No reward!
Kevin. Actually, hold this, please.
Sing and do it. Sing your song and do it. That's hard.
Come on!
I totally just got that.
No being, senor, no being.
I totally just got that.
Facebook.
This is going on Facebook.
Kevin has 4 miles. Kevin has 4 miles.
What do you have to say about yourself then,
Oh,
mister?
Kevin has 4 pequeño. Mucho prosecutas en el